Welcome to the pre-installation guide for Scanomat under-counter machines. Every cabinet with an under-counter machine from Scanomat must be prepared before installation with cutouts for ventilation and cutouts in the countertop. After the preparational work with cutouts, our technician will install the Scanomat under-counter machine. Please follow the pre-installation guide and perform the work according to the measurements. In this guide, we work with standard kitchen cabinets from IKEA and a wood countertop. The measurements will fit most standard kitchen cabinets on the market. Cutouts for the Scanomat flat channel ventilation system needs to be made in the cabinet. 145 mm from the right side wall of the cabinet. Mark an area of 120 times 70 mm up against the cabinet back wall. A ventilation inlet of 300 times 25 mm along the left side wall shall be cut. This area can be divided into two, depending on the cabinet's construction. This solution is chosen in the guide, placing the ventilation inlets between the minifix fasteners to retain the structural strength of the cabinet. Cutouts for the ventilation in the cabinet plinth vary depending on the chosen ventilation system. Here we work with the Scanomat ventilation system with separate plinth grills for air in and outlet. 2 cutouts shall be made measuring 110 times 55 mm centered vertically in the plinth to fit the used flat channels. Place both the cutouts with 145 mm to the sides of the cabinets. This is how the result should look like with cabinet and plinth cutouts for the ventilation system. Cutouts in the countertop shall now be made to accommodate the installation of the faucet, drip tray and iPad holder. Before proceeding with the cutouts on the countertop, please confirm the type of drip tray and iPad holder chosen for the specific installation. Start with preparing the countertop for measurements. Here, we use masking tape to protect the countertop and better see the markings. First, mark the center of the inside cabinet width and draw a right-angled line across the countertop. From the front edge, measure 300 mm along the line and place a center mark. From here, continue measuring 144 mm up and mark the center for the 32 mm hole drill. Along the 90-degree line from the center mark, measure 75 mm, mark, and then measure 176 mm. These two marks are the center for the 25 mm hole drills. After drilling these holes, cut out the material between the holes. The first center marking is for the drip tray cutout. We are using the top-mounted drip tray on the wood countertop, cutting a circle with a diameter of 163.5 mm from the center mark. After completing the drilling and cutouts, clean the edges and remove the masking tape. Now, the countertop is ready to install the faucet, drip tray and iPad standard holder.